Let's take a look at the technical intervention in, in sanitation. Technical innovations to ensure sanitation is imperative as India has expansion, geography, and socio-economic conditions. The methods to ensure sustained sanitation has to be according to the context of the place. Twin pit system. The twin pit system is the most commonly promoted and viable toilet design in rural India. Twin pit toilets for poor flush are enhanced pit latrines that enable fecal sludge to be treated on site and transferred into a hygienic soil modification. Toilets can be built outside the house while the pits can be located inside. The pit shape may be circular or rectangular, but more stable and less expensive are circular pits. The distinctive between this technology and other techniques such as composting toilets, etc., is that it enables water and it is not essential to add soil or organic materials to the pits. However, since this is a water-based technology, complete pits involve longer retention time to degrade the material before it can be safely evacuated. Design consideration. The squatting tank for pour flush consists of a steep low slope and a water seal trap. From there, one of the leach pits is directed to feces, urine, and flushing water. The pits are linked via a Y junction inspection chamber that allows the black water to to be channeled into either one or the other pit. A pit about 1 meter deep and 1 meter around should be sufficient for a family of five employees for 3 years. The soil-like material can be used in kitchen gardens or fields or in agriculture after excavation. The pits are either made of porous material in open joint brick row. To minimize cross-contamination between the maturing pit and the one in the use, it is recommended that the twin pits be constructed 1 meter apart from each other. To restrict exposure of the water source to microbial contamination, it is usually suggested to have a minimum horizontal distance of 30 meters between them. The table below provides some additional rules for minimal leach pit distances from sources of drinking water. Urine diversion twin pits. Twin pit pour flush, like almost any toilet, can be readily adjusted for urine diversion. The purpose of such an adaptation can be either to collect urine as a fertilizer or to prevent too many nutrients and liquids flowing through the pit. Health aspects or acceptance. It is a widely accepted sanitation alternative. However, there are some health issues. Leachate may contaminate groundwater. Stagnant water in pits may encourage insect reproduction. Pits are prone to failure and or flooding. Operation and maintenance. The most significant operation and maintenance activities are to regulate the pit filling in use to switch to the other at the correct time and to properly seal the Y junction for the unused pit. The pits must be emptied frequently and care must be taken to guarantee that during rainy seasons they do not flood. It is essential to wash with 1.5 to 2 liter during the use of of the bathroom so that the excreta is carried to the pits and does not block in the seal of water. The danger of clogging is high when dry material is used for cleaning. Cost. The construction of twin pits for pour flush toilets can be rather expensive depending on the local availability of manpower and construction material. However, once the twin pits have been installed, they can virtually be used without end.